lads, welcome back to the Chris Angler channel. Today we're fishing here at Ras Castle. As you can see, it is just a bit flooded. Here where normally the water only starts just past those trees is up to my knees, so it's a bit flooded. I don't know if some of you lads know the bridge going past the canal, there's only about that much space going through it, so it's very high water. Thank God some of the path there is still above water, so for St. Paddy's Day they can go up to the castle. But overall it's very flooded, as you can see. And I said I'm gonna try to catch a fish. Please don't try this by yourself, like, it can be very, very dangerous. I'm out here with my father. It can get very deep. But as long as you stay to the path, like, it will be fine. I saw the water was so high, I said, I'll see and try to see if there's any fish that can be caught. They're up there. Follow the path. Here it's getting deeper. I have a feeling we won't make it to the reed. There's a slight chance we won't. We'll try it though, yeah. First of all, I'll wet my hands. Dad will take the rod from me. Oh, my hands are wet. So right here, lads, that would normally be a bank where you walk, and the water would actually be pretty far away. So he must have been just chilling on the bank. Actually, I was wondering if I wasn't expecting much anyway, lads, today. I just wanted to see and go out. And that's the problem with this type of fishing. Anyway, trout at the flooded Ras Castle. Happy with that? So lads, just a quick video. I hooked 2 fish, one here, but I lost them straight there on the boat ramp, and the other one I held and he fell out my hands. So it was pretty hard fishing in kind of flooded conditions. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looked like, and I found it a bit interesting. And yeah, so yeah.